Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 13th December 2020. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. On this channel, I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty and build a trade plan and disclose my trade plan for the next trading day. So uh, let's see what's happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. For a Friday, our trade plan was to buy on dip or to take trade on breakout. So I took a trade on Bank Nifty on 15-minute breakout, and I kept a stop loss somewhere below this green candle. Then Bank Nifty went up. I did not book my profit at the consolidation. Then it came down, and my stop loss got hit. Then I did not take a trade here, and somewhere here I shorted the Bank Nifty against my trade plan. Again, I got confused somewhere here, and I was playing on 5-minute chart. I did multiple trades, and when the actual trade came in, as per my trade plan, I entered Bank Nifty here and exited somewhere on this green bar. So overall, very messy day for me, mainly because of my indiscipline and not sticking to my trade plan. So I lost close to around 5 or 6 thousand rupees on Friday. Now let's see how it goes for the next week. So next week looks like a very interesting week. So let's first go for Nifty. So when we look on a daily chart, Nifty has built a very strong, has built a doji here. So definitely market looks uncertain in terms of bulls and bears both are trying to pull the market in their direction. But on technical terms, if you see whether since there's a weekly end of the week, if you see a weekly chart, on weekly chart, Nifty is looking very strong. So it's about 8-day, about 20-day, and about 50 and 200 moving day. So there is no sign of weakness on Nifty on weekly chart as well as on monthly chart. Um, on daily chart, it is showing doji, but it's not necessary that if we have a doji, it's a sign of reversal. It could be also a sign of a continuation of the trend. So on 15-minute chart, when we look into Nifty, Nifty is just below 20-day moving average, above 50, above 8, and above 200-day moving average. So I'm considering Nifty in uptrend, but for some period of time, Nifty will consolidate in some range. So market will be very volatile with a very strong support for Nifty at 13,400. So for my trade plan for Nifty for tomorrow is buy on dip. And when we look into our Camarilla, we have a support for Nifty on daily basis at 11,466 and 11,417. Very strong support at 11,417. So for any reason, if Nifty comes to this range, that is 11,417 or 11,466, then there's the area where I will look forward to buy a Nifty with a target of 13,562, which is somewhere here, and 13,611. So weekly resistance. So this is the first weekly resistance for Nifty. So you buy here with the stop loss just below the red bar, that is 11,400, and look forward to get trained for 13,610. So for Nifty, the trade plan is buy on dip somewhere in this zone, 11,466. So somewhere this zone. So in this zone, I should buy it as much low as I can get, and stop loss just below this red line. So this 200-day moving average will also come up, and it will become a perfect stop loss here. So Nifty, buy on dip, no short, not taking multiple trade, patiently waiting for a market to come and sit on the lap, and then only taking a trade. That's a very big learning. Now, when we look into Bank Nifty, almost the view remains the same. Let's see first on weekly basis how the Bank Nifty is looking. So on weekly basis, Bank Nifty is looking very strong, about 200, about 20, about 8, very strong. On daily basis, Bank Nifty is showing some sign of weakness, but again consolidation only in the range of 30,900 to 30,000. So that's the, not 30,000, but I can say 30,200. So that's the range in which Bank Nifty is also playing, but the trend is up. On 15-day moving chart, Bank Nifty is just touching 20-day moving average, above 50, above 8, and above 200. So for tomorrow, my plan for Bank Nifty is buy on dip. So I'm expecting if Bank Nifty falls in the range of, when we look into Camarilla, our range is 3319 and 3464. So 3319, 3319, somewhere here. So 3319 and 30. So in this zone, so here you have a support, weekly support of 3374. This could become a very good zone to buy a Bank Nifty with a stop loss of 3180 and target of 3900, which is this zone somewhere here. So there's the plan for Bank Nifty. I expect high volatile day, which eventually in this week market should consolidate and break out of this trend in upside. So I hope you, all of you, had a very good weekend. And best of luck for tomorrow. If you like my views, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Stay healthy, Jai Hind, and meet you tomorrow again.